Hello, hello, December 19. My goodness, we're getting close now. How are you going with your Christmas quilt-along? It's coming together nicely now, I think. So we're looking at the bird's wing and we're going to do these bottom two sections, not the big section, the other two sections. And we need to have something that gives a bit of variety so it's not all looking the same. So we might have some curvy shapes in here, but some straight shapes in this one. There we go, the nice contrast from one to the other there. Excellent. Okay, see you tomorrow. We're getting close now. Bye-bye.